Hi boys and girls, we are going to be doing a pair of shoes inspired by Terry Greaves. So we're going to be creating a pair of shoes out of paper. Now, this might be a little different, but we're going to do our best. So what we're going to do is we're going to be folding a piece of paper so that it has two sides. So this way and this side, and it has a base so that when you stand it up, you can see both sides of your shoe. So it might be a little hard how I'm standing up there, but when you stand it up, you can see this side and you can see this side of your shoe. So you will be making two of these, just like two pairs of shoes, and you will be decorating both sides of your shoe. Now you can create whatever shoe you would like. There is a video on how to create a shoe like this. It's going in this direction on the tutorial that I made. But you can also, when you turn your paper around, you'll do the same steps just in the opposite direction. So what this video is about is how to fold your paper like this to get it to stand up so you can have a double-sided paper. And you will have two shoes to make a pair of shoes. So your very first step is to get a piece of paper and you are going to fold that paper in half. And I like to fold it in half this way like a book or a greeting card. So we're folding it in half this way. Now, if you would like, you can measure and you can make sure that it is exactly maybe like an inch if you wanted to. You can make a little mark and you can do it exactly like that. So how would you do that? You could make a little mark at every single inch, or if you wanted it to make it a little bit smaller, you could do maybe 3/4 of an inch. So I think I'll do that. I'll do 3/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to connect those. If you don't want to make this line, you do not have to, but this is a helper line that if you wanted to make sure that both of your pieces of paper, because remember you're going to be doing two, if you want to make sure that both of your pieces of paper are the same, that will be helpful. So once I get this helper line, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do my best to fold on that line. So I'm just kind of working my hands along and folding on that line. You can even fold it the other way like this. And just do your best, like I said, to get it folded on that line. Okay, now what we're going to do is open it up and you're gonna see that you have this fold, and this fold. That's the place that we had made our little helper line. So we need to fold this side this way. And then what I like to do is give this one another little fold here. Now, this is folded out. Can you see that? Like towards my body. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to fold it in like this, okay? So if I'm going to hold it up, it kind of looks like a little zigzag, okay? That will help when we stand it up. I'm gonna flatten it back down, and once I flatten it back down, it gives it a nice base for it to stand on like this, okay? And you can again kind of fold it back and forth. Now you will be drawing on this side and you will be drawing on this side, so you can fold that back in like this, and then you can start your shoe drawing. If you feel like that bump is in your way, you can fold it back out of your way while you do your drawing. And then you can just fold it back up when you're ready to stand it up. So when you're all done, you want two of these for each shoe in your pair of shoes. So that's how you can make your stand-up shoe. I hope you enjoyed that, because remember, I always want you to enjoy and stay creative.